Okay, on this tutorial we will learn quickly how to convert a .py.x easily, okay, and make it also professionally, because I didn't see how to do that with the shortcuts and to send it on the programs x86 folder. Okay, so we will learn how to do that. And for example, I built two projects, okay, Flappy Bird and Serpentus. Okay, those games were made on Pygame, popular Python library to work with. Flappy Bird is just Flappy Bird. I will not show you how it is, but on this case we have Serpentus. You get this a modified version of the Snake game, okay, with some changes. Okay, I aim with its own music that for now you cannot listen to it, but it has a music, okay, and then each time that I hit an apple, we get a level up sound effect, and as you see also we have the apple instead of a block and a tongue that is following the snake. So let's start right now. Just we have to make sure that we have already installed PyInstaller. Okay, that is a program that allows us to do that quickly, and just we have to go to the CMD. You can open it with or without administration permissions. No, I guess so. We just have to write pip install PyInstaller, and we get and you will get it, but because I have it, okay, already, it will not be installed. So let's open up our folder in which we have the main .py file. Okay, in this case it will be Serpent, and it doesn't matter if all the files are a mess up. We'll pick only those that matter, and just let's get started with. So we have to write cmd again on this location installer, the name of the main file with its extension. Okay, so serpente.py. Okay, we are focusing on this file. Write --1 file to set that all the application will be just one and not a lot of stuff, a lot of folders, and just unnecessary things. Or I don't know, it is really to simplify the stuff. -w, it's for avoiding this type of windows at the beginning of the application. For setting the icon of the .x file, just we have to write -i for icon, and Serpentus icon would be the location of the image. If it is in a deeper folder, just we have to write. For example, if a folder is called folder, just to write folder and slash, and it will say that it has to be found on folder and then Serpentus icon. But if it is on the same directory, just we have to write only the picture name. So we write enter, and then the work will be done by the PyInstaller. And I forget it by the way of saying it, but actually you must quit your antivirus just for these seconds, okay? I don't know why it actually says that the file may contain a virus, but trust me that it isn't. It's just an error, but I don't know why it happens. You can easily activate it again after converting your file, and well, on this directory called dist we get our file, and if we run this we will get nothing because there are no sources to use, okay, by the game. And as you see, file to execute is still kind of the way to hand a section. So what we have to do actually is to go over here, programs x86, and just to create a new folder. Continue. I will write Serpentus. Go again to the folder, copy this new app, okay, and paste it here. We get the application, and then just pick what are your sources, your files. Okay, on this case it's about here, and I guess that is all. Continue. Assuming this, we get actually all the stuff. It's a port version of the game, okay, for Android, but it is just for showing you how it is in reality. Just for finishing, we have to, well, we can say up, down, left and right, right and left, and also I can eat the apple, okay, and that's all. Just for making it more professionally, we'll move this Serpentus, original Serpentus, over here, and we have to write a new shortcut and go to the program x86 folder. So go to this PC, programs x86, and go the folder, extension, and that's all. Okay, if I run this again, we're gonna get the application that we want. Okay, I can move again, and I can play all of this, and that's all. Okay, this was a short tutorial, and let me know how helpful it was for you. So this was Cipheros, and we will meet us again soon. Goodbye.